Let me try this again. First came the dinosaurs, then the cavemen, then Jesus, then George Washington. I understand that you saw something different on TV, but sometimes things happen on TV that cannot happen in real life. Do you remember that conversation we had about the talking dog?
Yes.
This is kind of the same thing. We cannot get a talking dog even though you saw one on TV, and even if you saw dinosaurs and cavemen on a television show together.
But what about Jesus and the cavemen?
No, Jesus was after the cavemen.
But didn't they both have long hair?
Well, yes, that is true. Jesus and the cavemen did have long hair, but just because they had long hair does not mean they existed at the same time.
So, even if they had the same hair, they were not friends?
Right, they were not friends.
But doesn't it seem like Jesus and George Washington would have been good friends?
Yes, I guess I can see why you would think that, but...
And didn't they both walk on water?
Okay, George Washington crossed the Delaware, but he was in a boat. That's an important difference. The boat was floating, George Washington was not walking on the water.
And there were dinosaurs that walked on the water.
I don't think there were any floating dinosaurs, but even if there were, they would have been long gone before George Washington, before Jesus, and even before the cavemen.
I saw a dinosaur walking on the water one time on TV.
Well, now we are back to my example of the talking dog. Sometimes things are on TV because they are funnier than what really happens, or sometimes things are on TV because they're the kind of things we wish could happen.
I wish I could talk to my doctor to find out if a prescription for Boniva is right for me.
No, that is not going to happen. First of all, even if you wish you could get a prescription for Boniva, you do not need one, so I'm not going to talk to our doctor to find out if he thinks it is right for you.
But I should contact my doctor if I'm having trouble swallowing.
Stop that. You are not having trouble swallowing. Besides, Boniva is a drug for older people with bone loss.
That is what happened to the dinosaurs. Some of them do not have all of their bones. Maybe they should have Boniva.
That is not the same kind of bone loss. Yes, most dinosaur skeletons that are found are missing some bones, but it would not have helped them to have had Boniva. They had plenty of bones when they were alive. Look, maybe you should just go watch TV now.
Okay, Daddy. One more thing?
Do not even ask. We are not going to get a talking dog,